somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is grown all wide. 'Cause I don't know if it'll be enough.
We arrive at Portofino with my lovely sister. Like and subscribe to her channel.
Thank you. I'm right now near the railway station because we took the train from Genoa. If you haven't seen the first vlog from there, I'll leave the link in the description box. We have to actually take a bus that takes us to Portofino from the railway station, and the bus just left because we didn't know that was our bus. And this is the ticket to Portofino. You have to take the bus 782, yeah. It says here 82 by 78.
In this town, somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink.
We arrived in Portofino after having a very beautiful ride here with the bus. I will insert some images from the bus, what we saw on the way here. The road is very narrow, but the landscape is so nice. I love it. And so far Portofino is, I don't know, one of the most beautiful places I've seen. Anyways, Italy is my favorite country, so if any place I've seen, I loved it. The first stop that we're gonna see today is Castello Brown. We have to go uphill over there.
Can't stay no longer in this. I don't wanna waste no time.
We have here Museo del Parco. I think it's just a park, but it's closed at the moment. The entrance to the castle is €5 per person. And this is the first view we have.
I think we better run. We ought to leave this place.
This is the panoramic view over. It's amazing, Portofino. This is a castle from outside. I'll show you a little bit inside as well, but not too much because I don't want to spoil your visit. Stanza del Soldati. And this beautiful. Stopped for a focaccia at one of the places here.
Your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
We nearly arrived at Canone, and this is a house that is iconic for Portofino. You'll see, if you have a search on Google, you'll see this house on every photo.
The dance goes on.
To get to Baia Canone, you have to walk on this road. I don't think there's other way to get here. And now we're going down on these stairs, and here is like a place where people gather in the summer. A small beach as well, and a beautiful view to the iconic houses of Portofino. I hope you can hear me because there are some boats around here, and it's very windy as well. The waves are making a lot of noise on the top of that. Portofino is a very, very lovely place. You have to come here and visit. I think one day is way too much for exploring this place because it's quite small. There are not too many things to see. We've seen the castle, Brown Castle, San Giorgio Church, and now we are at Baia del Canone, which is one of the most popular. And I think that's all the places that you can see here in Portofino. I've searched online to see if we missed anything, but this is pretty much it. Of course, if you come here on summer, you'll have the swimming and snorkeling as well as activities that you can do here, and you'll have as well more restaurants and bars open because nearly February and all the bars were closed. I don't know if because on winter they close it or because on weekends, I don't know, probably because it's winter and there are not too many tourists here. And also one of the things that you have to know if you come here is that this place is very, very expensive. It's not one of the cheapest places, so better don't book an accommodation in here. Maybe in Genoa as we did because it's easier to come here and the accommodation are way, way cheaper. Of course, if you want to have the full experience, the full Italian experience, Portofinese experience, how they like to say, yeah, you can definitely book a hotel here, or I don't know, a villa with a swimming pool. Here at Baia del Canone or Baia Canone, you'll see, if you have a clear day with sun and not too much fog, you'll see the mountains in the background, and that city around somewhere here is Genoa. Look how nice is the landscape. Definitely if you come here in Portofino during the summer, you have to come and enjoy a bath here. I think it's a nice experience to swim in this area with such a beautiful view. There's a very, very small beach here as well. It's not with sand, it's with pebbles. I don't know if it gets crowded in the summer, but I bet it does because it's very beautiful. It's a very beautiful place to swim, and I think people wouldn't miss it. So maybe if you come in the morning, you'll find the perfect spot to put your towel on and enjoy a day at the beach with this amazing, again, amazing view.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me?
We arrived in the railway station. We wait for the train to Genoa. And with this we finish our vlog in Portofino as well. If you like this video, please give a like and follow me on Instagram as well because I post lots of photos and reels there. And check my blog to find articles and posts about the most beautiful places that you can visit and travel guides that can help you plan your holidays. Thank you very much for watching.